Hey everybody, Dr. Green here. Welcome to CS 5010 Fundamentals of Programming. No matter what semester you're taking this in, it's a great course. It is high-paced, it is in-depth, and it will get you up to speed on the fundamentals of programming. And best of all, it is online. So you'll see here we have all the information that you need, the basics of our class, a link to me, my email address, and your website. Most typically, we'll be communicating asynchronously via Discord. So if you click on this link here, and this link may vary by semester to semester, but if you click on it, it'll provide you a link to sign up. I already have Discord installed, so you'll see I'm in the Discord channel or the Discord server. Please go ahead and talk here, confer here, work together, collaborate, ask me questions, all these kind of things. This is a great place to do that. I will be monitoring this channel regularly. And we can always jump over to voice channels, we can share screens, we can do all kinds of great things. So this is going to be a great tool for us throughout the semester. In addition to Discord, we have a great resources page. I have many videos that I've made and external videos that I link to for you to see. And we even have a page of frequently asked questions. The big thing you may want to see, of course, is the syllabus. The syllabus has been uploaded online in a PDF format so that you are able to browse it at your leisure. You'll see part of it is just an expanded version of this. It lists all your materials, how the course will be delivered. In this course, we will have reading assignments, participation activities, challenge activities, quizzes. There'll be videos, and there'll be about 7 assignments, about 1 per week, 6 to 7 assignments. So you can work through all this and take a look. As far as grading goes, your grade will be half 50% assignments, 15% participation activities, 15% challenge activities, and 20% quizzes and or tests. And they're really going to be all quizzes at this point. You'll see you can jump straight to the first module. You can jump into Welcome and Course Introduction, and you have a list of everything here. A few really important things to note in this course. The first is that we will be using zyBooks. zyBooks is an online interactive textbook. You can sign up for zyBooks just from the first module. You'll see when you jump in here, you can go in and start the first reading and say Chapter 1, Introduction, and you will be in great shape. At that point, you'll click on this. It will actually have you load this in a new tab. Generally this will jump over. You'll see that I'm using a test student account, so you can't see the real thing, but it'll ask you to create an account and pay for your textbook and all those kind of good things. We have a nice page of getting started for a welcome and course introduction. And you will also see we have a list of everything that is going on here. Now I do want you to understand that all of the due dates on everything, all the assignments, everything like that, are suggestions. As long as your work is done by the last day of the 6-week session we are in, it is no problem for me. There are some instructions in the first module that tell you how to send me an email so that I will grade your assignments. Okay? So work through these. The most important thing I can tell you is do something towards this class every day. It is intense, there is a lot, but you will be awesome at the end for it. You can look through all the assignments and things like that. As I said, you can go through the modules and all those kind of things. We also have a lot of information in our modules, starting with Module 1, Welcome to the Class, how to set up your integrated development environment, how to use version control in Git and GitLab, and a series of videos. I have linked to some of these are my videos, some are linked to an external video playlist from an individual named The Cherno. He has done an awesome series of C++ videos. You will see that in this class I give you the option. This is a graduate level class, so you can use VS Code, Visual Studio, or Xcode if you're on a Mac. Go ahead and use any of these with C++. There are links on how to get started with them. There's videos that show you how to walk through them, all that kind of stuff. You will also be doing basic version control and Git and GitLab in order to upload your assignments so that I can check them. These are step-by-step instructions on how to walk you through those. Please post any questions, comments, or anything that's happening to you in Discord or email, and we will make sure that that works out perfectly for you. That being said, this is an awesome class. I love teaching it. Everybody learns a tremendous amount. We have a great variation in students in this course, and I am really looking forward to it. Do make sure to join the Discord. I use this for tons of communication, and this is a great source of support and inspiration and all those kinds of things. You are welcome to ask each other questions and problems and help support each other here. So I look forward to seeing you online throughout the semester. Take care, be well, and I will see you next time online.